What's up guys, my name is Torin and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to read your profit and loss on Binance. To give you a little backstory before we jump into my computer, I have opened a new Binance account about a couple months ago and put only a couple $100 in. Now I did want to play around buying and purchasing different types of coins, getting used to the platform. But I wasn't able to easily find where my profit and loss on a weekly and monthly schedule were. So after doing some digging, I found the tiny little button where I figured this out, and it's quite interesting to see all the analytics Binance will give you. So without further ado, let's dive into the screen recording. So I don't have any problem being transparent with you guys and showing the inside of my account, whether that be the balance and or coins that I invested in. But once you are inside, now this is the desktop application, but you can also do this from your computer and the Google or Safari edition. But what you're going to do is come up to the corner here and you're going to click on your wallet. Inside your wallet, you're going to look for the fiat and spot, and we're going to click that button up there. So inside your fiat and spot, it gives you all of the total coins you currently have. So as you can see here, I just have about $400, just under 400 Canadian here. This is the spot balance in Bitcoin, and these are the actual coins that I have invested in. So as you can see, I have some Decentraland, Cardano, Ethereum, Dash, blah, blah, blah. So in order to get your P&Ls, you actually have to wait until about 10 p.m. to get the day before's P&L. But with that being said, there isn't an easy way to see this P&L, yesterday's P&L. So it's this little tiny button right here. This little greater than symbol is what we're going to click on. So you click on that symbol and there we go, our profit and loss analysis. So with that being said, you guys can see here that on the last 30 days profit and loss, I have P&L'd 188 Canadian or 1800%. So you basically want to take note of those coins that I have here. Those are what has led me to this crazy P&L. But with that being said, you can also change it to your last 30 days as well as customizing it. But on the last 7 days here, it gives us the trend, the regular Bitcoin trend, as well as the trend that my coins are outperforming Bitcoin. Here's your asset allocation, as well as here's your daily P&L. Now this is really cool. We don't have yesterday's because it's not time yet, but as you can see, it gives you on a day-to-day basis if you profited or lost money on your investments. So over the last week, I made 17 Canadian that day, $5. I lost then $8. This day I made $87 Canadian, 17, 26, and 30. So your asset net worth here is shown on this graph as well, and at the bottom here. So although I do recommend you guys keep a trade journal, this was a great way for me to just see how my investment has been sitting over the last month without much trading done to it. I just put a few $100s in and bought some coins with it. So this is a perfect way to just see the 10,000 foot view of your account and how well it's been doing over the last couple weeks or even months. It is very important to make sure you're tracking all of your trades and making sure your investments are returning properly, because without tracing any of this, it's basically a shot in the dark if you're doing well or not. I'm almost going to compare it to gambling unless you don't have a strategy and writing down your profit and losses on a daily basis. So with that being said, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video all about how to find your P&L in Binance, how to find how well those coins are doing for you on a daily and monthly basis. If you did enjoy it, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you aren't already, and I hope to see you in the next video.